Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore the latest gadgets and gizmos. I'm your host, and today, we're about to blow you away with the PeroBuno computer cleaning electric air duster. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our tech reviews. Alright, let's dive into this powerful cleaning solution. The PeroBuno electric air duster is a game-changer in cleaning tech. It packs a punch with a brushless motor that delivers a stable airflow, incredible durability, and high performance. This means it can tackle stubborn, heavy dust in any corner of your home or workspace with ease. Say goodbye to those dust bunnies. What sets this air duster apart is its flexibility. It features two speed settings, standard and strong. Use the standard mode for everyday cleaning tasks like your PC, laptops, camera lenses, or even your car's interior. And when you need to blast away dirt from air vents or larger machines, switch to the strong wind speed with just a short press. Easy, right? Versatile cleaning at your fingertips. Here's the kicker, it's not just an air duster. It's also a mini vacuum. This means you can suck up the dust and debris you blow away. It's like having a 2-in-1 cleaning powerhouse. And if that's not enough, you can even use it as an air pump for storage bags. 3 functions in one device make it a must-have for home or car cleaning. Efficiency redefined. PeroBuno goes the extra mile by including a keyboard cleaning kit with various accessories. You get mini brushes for those hard-to-reach areas, long nozzles, and a wide flat nozzle for expanding your cleaning reach. It's not just for keyboards. You can use it on car seats, window blinds, sofas, and more. It's a versatile cleaning companion. Cleaning made effortless. Say goodbye to disposable canned air. This electric air duster is not only eco-friendly but also cost-effective. It's cordless, powered by a rechargeable battery, and comes with a Type-C charging cable. After a full charge of just 3 to 4 hours, it runs continuously for 15 to 25 minutes. No more hunting for outlets or buying canned air repeatedly. Clean without limits. To sum it up, the PeroBuno computer cleaning electric air duster is a game-changer for anyone who wants a powerful, versatile, and eco-friendly cleaning solution. With its brushless motor, dual speed settings, and vacuum capabilities, it's a must-have for tech enthusiasts and anyone who values cleanliness. Have you used an electric air duster before? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found this review helpful and hit that subscribe button if you want to stay up to date with the latest tech reviews on Product Critique. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, a clean workspace is a productive workspace. Until next time, keep your tech spotless, and we'll see you in our next video.